So today we're going to go over Color the 90s coloring book. This one I bought off Amazon. I can't remember the price. I will put it in the description box below or the information. So this is just a lot of stuff from the 90s. It's an adult coloring book. We have Nintendo, Furby, Pokemon, right there, Mario, Surge Energy Drink, Bill Nye, Steve Urkel, etc., etc. So we are going to do a quick flip through. I'm only going to show half the page to No One Steals Art because we don't like that. It's from Outrageous Katie is the designer. So bring out the dancing lobsters, Game Boy, Furbies, not Skechers, High Tops, Best Buds, Kicksters, Dunkaroos. Just a lot of things from the 90s. If you were a 90 kid born in the 90s was your favorite. Hacky sack. You'd know. Let's see. Going Power Rangers. Yeah, Taco Bell. Nerds. Tamagotchis. I had so many Tamagotchis when I was younger. It was ridiculous. Carmen Sandiego. I don't know where it went. Carmen Sandiego. Home Improvements. Decide Your Destiny. Scrunchy Socks. Nintendo Slimed. Duel. Pokemon. N64. And a little bit of everything. That looks like the front cover that you can color. And then this book belongs to I Love the 90s, some patterns. And the introductory level. Here is her Twitter, her Facebook, if my phone will focus, and her Instagram. You should go follow her if you love everything here. The only thing I have to say is, yes, the pages are double-sided, but they're not as thick as some of the other coloring books. They're kind of thin paper. I haven't colored on them. I don't know if they bleed. The best thing, everybody asks me, what do I do with these back sheets right here? This is your test paper so that you could use your Sharpies, your color pencils, your markers, your gel pens, etc. and see how it works with the paper in this book. So see, it's a little bit thinner. It's thicker than printer paper, but thinner than cardstock. I would recommend testing all your supplies on here. So here's the cover again. Color the 90s by Outrageous Katie. Here's some of the, let's see, check out my other bestsellers. Sit the fuck down and color. Have some fun. Ha ha ha. It says pun. So this is Color the 90s. If you have any questions or anything, please comment down below or send me a message. I will read them. If you know any other books or see any other books, you are welcome to leave the name of books or links down in the comments below, and I will see about reviewing them for you. I will post, when I color some pages, I will post a full review on them. It might be a while because I like to cut off the edge and take apart my books before I color them. But thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.